Earthing versus grounding, keeping you and your electronics safe, and maybe calmer. Earthing and grounding sound alike, and in the world of electrical wiring, they are closely related. But there are some key distinctions between the two, both in purpose and application. Let's break it down. Electrical earthing versus grounding. Earthing for safety. Earthing prioritizes protecting people from electrical shock. It creates a low resistance path for any leakage current to flow directly to the ground, preventing it from passing through you if you touch a faulty appliance. Grounding for system stability. Grounding focuses on protecting the electrical system itself. It ensures a stable reference point for voltage and helps prevent damage to equipment due to power surges or imbalances. Technical talk, a deeper dive. Earthing. This physically connects a circuit's non-current carrying parts, like the metal casing of an appliance, to the earth, which acts as a giant conductor with zero voltage potential. Grounding. In some cases, grounding might not involve a direct connection to the earth. It can involve establishing a zero voltage reference point within a system itself, even if not physically linked to the ground. Is earthing the same as grounding in daily use? Often, yes. Electricians use the terms interchangeably when referring to electrical safety practices. Beyond electricity, earthing for wellness. There's a growing trend of earthing or grounding for health purposes. This involves practices like walking barefoot outside or using grounding mats that claim to improve sleep, reduce pain, and enhance mood. While research is ongoing, the science behind these benefits is still inconclusive. Earthing versus grounding techniques. Electrical earthing. A common method involves an earthing mat or electrode buried underground, connected to the non-current carrying parts of electrical equipment. Earthing for wellness. Practices include spending time barefoot outdoors or using grounding mats that connect you to the earth's electrons. Grounding versus earthing cables. Here, the purpose defines the cable. Earthing cables, usually green, prioritize safety by diverting leakage current. Grounding cables, often black, focus on system stability and equipment protection. Earthing versus neutral grounding. Earthing provides a low resistance path for leakage current, while the neutral wire completes the circuit's current flow. They work together to ensure a safe and functional electrical system. In conclusion, earthing and grounding play crucial roles in electrical safety and system stability. While the electrical definitions have some technical nuances, they often get used interchangeably. The growing trend of earthing for wellness purposes is separate and requires further scientific exploration.